Most people think eggs are the king of protein, but once you cross 70, your body doesn't just need protein, it needs a type of protein your muscles can actually absorb and use. And surprisingly, the solution isn't in the fridge, it's hidden in tiny seeds packed with complete amino acids, anti-inflammatory omega-3s, easy-to-digest protein, and minerals that protect your bones and joints. New research shows that certain seeds can support muscle repair, improve balance, boost energy, and even reduce age-related muscle loss sometimes more effectively than traditional protein sources like eggs. So today, I'm revealing 6 scientifically studied seeds that older adults are using to stay strong, recover faster from exercise, and maintain their independence even as muscle naturally declines with age. These seeds aren't just healthy add-ons, they contain powerful amino acids, minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support balance, mobility, and daily energy. And the best part? You can start using them instantly with simple, everyday foods you already eat, no complicated diets, no drastic changes. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, share this video, and hit the like button. Because every week I bring you research-backed tips to help you stay active, energized, and confident at any age. Seed 1. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are one of the most complete and easily digestible plant proteins available, making them especially valuable for adults over 70 who need protein their body can actually absorb and utilize. Unlike many plant foods that lack key amino acids, hemp seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, isoleucine, and valine, the 3 BCAAs responsible for stimulating muscle repair after exercise. Because digestion becomes slower and less efficient with age, the naturally high digestibility of hemp protein gives seniors a major advantage in maintaining muscle mass. Research reviews on plant proteins consistently highlight hemp as one of the few plant sources that closely resembles animal protein in terms of amino acid completeness and biological value. These studies note that hemp's balance of arginine, glutamine, and branch-chain amino acids makes it ideal for muscle recovery, immune support, and reducing age-related muscle breakdown. Other analyses also point out the presence of bioactive compounds in hemp such as edestin and albumin proteins, which are easily broken down and absorbed by the digestive system. Hemp seeds are also rich in healthy omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in joints and muscles, a critical benefit for older adults who often experience stiffness or soreness after physical activity. Add 2 tablespoons of hemp hearts to your morning smoothie, yogurt, porridge, or sprinkle on salads. Just this small amount provides around 8 to 12 grams of clean, easily absorbed protein, making it one of the simplest daily habits for supporting strength after 70. Seed 2. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse of muscle-supporting nutrients, especially for seniors looking to rebuild strength, improve mobility, and boost overall energy. These seeds contain a generous amount of branch-chain amino acids leucine, isoleucine, and valine, which are essential for stimulating muscle protein synthesis and reducing the rate of muscle loss that naturally increases with age. Leucine in particular is known as the trigger amino acid, and pumpkin seeds provide a meaningful plant-based source. Beyond their amino acid profile, pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, a mineral vital for muscle contraction, relaxation, and preventing nighttime cramps. Studies on magnesium intake in older adults show that low levels can reduce muscle strength, slow recovery, and impair sleep quality, all factors that affect mobility and independence. Pumpkin seeds also contain zinc, which supports testosterone production, immune health, and cellular repair, making them a valuable addition for older adults who need strong recovery after exercise or daily activity. Research on pumpkin seed protein indicates that it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which may help reduce muscle damage, support mitochondrial function, and protect against age-related oxidative stress. Animal and laboratory studies have shown that pumpkin seed extracts can reduce inflammation markers, improve protein utilization, and support overall muscle health. Seed 3. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are one of the most underrated muscle-supporting seeds, especially for older adults. They provide a strong combination of plant protein, healthy fats, calcium, and powerful antioxidants known as lignans, especially sesamin and sesamoline. These compounds help reduce inflammation, support joint mobility, and protect muscle tissue from oxidative stress, which naturally increases with age. Several university-led population studies have observed that older adults who regularly consume sesame seeds tend to show better muscle strength, improved mobility, and a lower likelihood of developing sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. Researchers suggest that sesame's anti-inflammatory properties may play a major role in slowing muscle deterioration. Academic nutrition departments highlight that sesame helps regulate lipid metabolism, improves mitochondrial efficiency, and supports better circulation, all of which contribute to better overall strength and energy levels. Laboratory research from food science faculties also shows that sesame can enhance muscle protein synthesis while reducing markers of oxidative damage. Sesame seeds are also rich in calcium, zinc, magnesium, and B vitamins, which support bones, nerves, and muscle contraction. This makes them a powerful joint plus muscle combination food for seniors who want to maintain flexibility and stability. Seed 4. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are well known for their anti-inflammatory omega-3 fats, ALA, high fiber, and gentle plant protein, a combination that supports muscle recovery, digestion, heart health, and hydration. For adults over 70, reducing inflammation is critical because chronic inflammation accelerates muscle loss, weakens joints, and slows post-exercise recovery. According to university nutrition research, diets rich in ALA omega-3s can help improve muscle function, reduce inflammation markers, and support healthier aging. Academic reviews also highlight chia's ability to absorb 10 to 12 times its weight in water, forming a gel that helps maintain hydration, a key factor since dehydration is extremely common in older adults and directly impacts muscle performance. Clinical nutrition departments note chia's high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar and improve digestion, which indirectly supports better energy levels and strength. Researchers also point out that chia contains modest but high-quality plant protein, making it a useful addition to a senior's diet when combined with other muscle-supporting foods. Chia seeds also contain antioxidants like quercetin, which help protect muscle cells from oxidative stress, another major contributor to age-related weakness. Seed 5. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 ALA, which plays a major role in lowering inflammation, supporting heart health, and helping muscle cells recover after physical activity. For older adults, this anti-inflammatory benefit alone is extremely valuable because inflammation accelerates muscle breakdown and joint stiffness. University-based nutritional studies consistently report that omega-3 rich foods can improve muscle recovery, reduce soreness, and enhance overall mobility. Flax seeds also contain lignans, unique plant compounds with antioxidant and mild hormonal support properties. These lignans have been studied in academic research for their ability to improve cellular repair and protect tissues from age-related oxidative stress. Flax seeds also provide protein, fiber, magnesium, and B vitamins, all essential for energy production and muscle health. Clinical nutrition departments highlight that flax's combination of omega-3, lignans, and dietary fiber supports healthy blood pressure, improved circulation, and stable blood sugar, factors that contribute to better muscle function and daily stamina. Research from university food science programs also emphasizes that flax must be ground for proper absorption, as whole flax seeds often pass through the digestive system without being fully broken down, a key point for seniors with weaker digestion. Seed 6. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle cells from oxidative damage. This is especially important for older adults because oxidative stress increases with age and contributes to muscle weakness, poor recovery, and reduced mobility. Sunflower seeds also provide protein, healthy fats, selenium, magnesium, and B vitamins, all essential for muscle and nerve function. In several university-led antioxidant studies, vitamin E has been shown to help reduce muscle damage after physical activity, improve mitochondrial efficiency, and support stronger recovery in older adults. Academic clinical reviews also highlight that vitamin E helps maintain healthy blood vessels, ensuring better nutrient delivery to muscles, a key factor for maintaining strength. Sunflower seeds also contain selenium, an important mineral that works with vitamin E to protect tissues from oxidative stress and support immune function. Research conducted in food science departments suggests that the nutrient density of sunflower seeds makes them particularly valuable for seniors who need concentrated nutrition in smaller food portions. Because sunflower seeds combine antioxidants with plant protein and healthy fats, they offer a triple impact on muscle health: protect muscle cells, improve recovery, support overall energy production. So as you've seen today, building muscle after 70 is not only possible, it's practical, natural, and life-changing. Just a small handful of the right seeds each day can help you rebuild strength, boost mobility, improve balance, and keep your body feeling younger from the inside out. Remember, aging doesn't mean slowing down. Aging just means your body needs smarter fuel, and these seeds provide exactly that. They support your muscles, protect your joints, nourish your cells, and help you stay strong enough to enjoy the life you love. Whether it's lifting your grocery bags without strain, walking longer without fatigue, bending easily to pick something up, or simply waking up with more energy, these tiny seeds can make a big difference when used consistently. So start small. Add one seed this week. Notice the change. Then add the next. Because the journey to a stronger, healthier you doesn't require big changes, just small steps done daily. And if this video helped you, inspired you, or taught you something new, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who needs this information, and don't forget to subscribe, because more science-backed tips for strength, longevity, and healthy aging are coming your way every single week. Your health is your greatest gift, and you deserve to protect it. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.